Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When I exercise, I want to be able to do it from the comfort of my own home, but I don't want to sacrifice having a gym quality experience. That's one reason that I love this treadmill from FelFast. A second thing that made me really happy is that this treadmill, although small, does incline up to 8 levels. It also can go up to 7.6 miles per hour. Something else that I find really nice is that the walking belt itself is longer than other treadmills that I've been on that fit into a small home. And so that's really nice depending on how long your stride is. I'm 5'4", and this is really perfect for me, but could definitely accommodate a taller person too. The display is really easy to see and to read, and I love that it shows the distance, how many calories you've burned, and how much time that you've been on it. That is just so helpful for keeping track of how much I'm exercising. Also love that it has HIIT programs that I can access with the touch of a button. That helps me to vary my workout, which is really nice because it's easy to get stuck in a rut, and I really need to challenge myself in order to make improvement. When using the remote to choose your HIIT program, you can also change the length of time that you want. And I really like that because sometimes I don't have a whole 30 minutes, which is the preset. Sometimes I only have 20 or 25 minutes, and it's really nice that it accommodates that. Another nice thing is that the speed goes up and down in increments of zero point 0.1, so you can really get exactly the tailored workout that you're looking for. I love that I can just come home, jump on this treadmill with very little preparation, and I'm getting my steps in and I'm building my endurance and strength. I just really love it, and that's my point of view.